What's up, everybody? Hope you guys had a great week. Res M3 here, and this week we're not going to be doing the blacked out M3 logos, emblems in the back, whatever you want to call them. We're going to switch it up because it's too cold to be doing that without a heat gun, and we got this red start stop button. Again, like I said, it's the little things that set your car apart from everybody else's. That's what I want to do first, and then we got bigger things coming, if you can see right here, but won't spoil that. So what you're gonna need for this install is pretty simple. It's again not something that's gonna take too long. We'll switch down right here. Obviously you need the start stop button, which you can get on Amazon for about like 15 bucks. I do believe they have them in different colors as well, so if red's not the color you're trying to use as an accent color, you can actually use something else. It's pretty cold outside, so if you got chapped ass lips, you can get yourself some chapstick too. That'll work wonders out there. Handy dandy multi-tool, some tweezers, which we'll get into why you're going to need it later when getting out the old start stop button, and a butter knife or anything like that. Also, you're going to want some masking tape or something like that, but I don't have some, so I'm just going to be using like a piece of paper right here to kind of like cover it up. A little business card there, so that way we can get to it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and kick it outside, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay, so we managed to find some masking tape actually, so we're gonna actually be using that instead of the business card. So let me check right quick if we can just get our knife in here so that we can pry this out. I think up top might have better results. And then you just want to like pry it out. Just like, dang it. So we'll pop that back in here and pop it out. And then using your fingers or whatever to kind of get in there and slowly wedge everything else out. And so you can carefully pop it out like so. Bam! We did it. Once you got it pried out, which was a bit of a pain, you're gonna go ahead and want to disconnect this piece right here, which should just be pressing on the top here and then the top and the bottom and pulling it out. But it is so cold. But now we got our start stop module out, and we're gonna go inside because it is cold as hell right now. So I'll see you. Okay, so we've managed to get it off. We took a little bit of a break because it was way too cold out there to be doing this. I nearly froze my hands off. But what you want to do now is remove these clips. I've already started by taking off the first two at the top. I think it will be a little bit easier focusing on just one half and then slowly working your way around. Just be careful not to break any of these clips so you don't have to buy a whole new housing, which is probably very expensive. So once you take this out, you can see right here the mechanism's right there, and it's going to be pretty simple. You just have these clips that you need to undo. That's where the tweezers come in. So you look right here and you can put the tweezer in there and kind of like pull it out like so. There's one, I think, and then there's the other. There we go. Let me see. So you can kind of see right here. Okay, there we go. So you gotta like use the tweezers on each side and push them in, and then bam, just like that, it comes off. Pretty cool. Here's the old start stop button, And here's the new one. So pretty simple process you got right here. Now all we're gonna do is pretty simple. Just replace them. Just swap it out. Put your new start stop button in. Make sure it clicks. Then you can look on the back here. And then just make sure the clips actually clip in here. Make sure it's not gonna come out. So just like that, the clips have engaged. You can check by pushing out with the tweezers and nothing happens. So pretty simple install here. Now all we're gonna do is very easily just put this piece right back on. It's gonna be super simple. All you're gonna do is push it in the center and then just inspect around it. Make sure all the clips actually clipped in. As you can see, they all have. Then just make sure this actually starts. It's kind of rough there, so, but it's working, that's for sure. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back in the car, and then we'll show you that next piece. All right, okay, we're back in the car. So all you're gonna do is reach in here, grab your cable. Hopefully yours doesn't go in as much. Then you're just gonna line everything up. And should be just like this. Pop that in there. Easy day. Then you're slowly making sure not to damage anything. Pretty easy. Just pop this back in. You'll hear that satisfying click there. Then it's just making sure it works. Ooh, and it does. And let's go ahead and start her up. Just like that. Got that red start stop button. It's the little things again. Makes you appreciate your car. But everybody, thank you so much for tuning in this week again. Next week we are gonna try to do that emblem, but again, it's just whatever I get in the mail to do, or whatever it is that I have time to do, then that's what I'm gonna do. It is really cold, as you can see, and here's another proof source. This water bottle I left in my car in the garage, and it is an ice cube. So that being said, thank you so much. If you like what you saw, for more like little things or more tutorial things, we're gonna be doing a little bit of that. Everything that I do to this car, I'm gonna share on the channel. So just keep in touch, stay tuned, and that's all for today. You guys take it easy, and Residue Gaming out.